Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Biomate, and today I will be telling you 5 important tips that you should know when you are preparing for NEET Biology. The tip number 1 is that you should read each and every line of NCERT very carefully because each and every line of NCERT is a potential question. Tip number 2, you should not waste your time in preparing the notes. Instead, you can use your NCERT textbook itself as the notes. It can save you a lot of time and you can never miss a point to revise. Tip number 3 is that you should separately write all the examples of biology unit. In this way, you can learn all the examples easily in a bulk. Tip number 4 is that you should constantly give mock tests. It can help you analyze yourself. You can even give the mock test of one chapter or the topics you have done. In this way, you can be familiar with the topics or the questions that can come in exams. Tip number 5 and the most important one is that you should never ignore the summary at the end of the chapter. Along with that, the information which is given under the diagrams. So guys, this was for today's video and I hope that you liked this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Biomate.